Waymo's Jaguar I-PACE looks like a familiar premium electric sport utility vehicle from the outside, but the experience inside is unlike any ride you have probably taken. There is no human in the driver's seat in eligible zones, just the Waymo driver guiding the car with calm and confident inputs. From the moment the doors unlock with a tap in the app to the moment you step out at the curb, it feels futuristic, yet surprisingly normal. And that is the point. The best technology disappears into the background and simply gets you where you are going. What makes the I-PACE a smart choice for this mission is the blend of space, refinement, and battery electric smoothness. The tall seating position offers good visibility, and the cabin has the quiet and composed feel you want when there is no one to small talk with. Upfront ride, quality is settled, acceleration is linear, and the cabin screens show a live view of what the car sees, so you are never guessing. If you are traveling with friends, 4 people fit comfortably with room for bags in the hatch. Using Waymo is straightforward. You download the app, create an account, add payment, and set your pickup and destination like any other ride-hailing service. When your I-PACE arrives, you confirm the 2-letter identifier on the roof pod, unlock the doors with the app, buckle up, and you are on your way. The in-car screen shows your route, estimated arrival time, and controls for help and support. If you need to change your destination mid-ride, you can usually do that right from the app. Rides operate within set service zones, and coverage continues to expand city by city. Service areas matter because no one wants to be dropped a mile short of dinner. In the core markets, coverage includes busy downtowns, residential neighborhoods, and connecting corridors to popular venues. The system is designed to choose safe and legal pickup and drop-off spots, and it communicates clearly if it needs you to walk a few steps to meet the car. If you are a first-timer, that first unlock and door pull can feel momentous. But most riders report that after about 2 minutes, the novelty fades and it just feels like a smooth electric ride. Safety is baked into the experience. Multiple sensing modalities watch the road in all directions, and the vehicle behaves with a measured style that avoids sudden moves. It leaves space, anticipates pedestrians, and handles complex intersections with patience. There is a dedicated help button in the app, and inside the car if you ever want live support. Because the I-PACE is fully electric, there are no tailpipe emissions, and charging is managed by Waymo, so you never have to think about it. If you are planning your first trip, a few tips help. Request from an easy curb where the car can safely pull in. Watch the app so you can spot the 2-letter car identification when it arrives. Buckle up, keep kids in appropriate car seats, and do not block the sensors with backpacks or signs. If you are unsure about where the car will stop, check the drop-off preview in the app before you confirm the ride. And if you enjoy the quiet, bring your playlist and let the electric serenity turn a crosstown trek into a reset between meetings. The real magic is how the service makes cities feel smaller. Late-night airport run with no friends awake to drive you. Early morning gym session before sunrise. A quick hop to a client on the other side of downtown. You tap, ride, and go.